When you try to understand the date and time formatting, Excel would look pretty sophisticated. You can actually find your specified date in a date format. Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we will look at the overview of dates, how to change the default date settings, the basic date formats and the custom date format options. So let's say I key in a date here as 1st September 2020. So you can see this presently is in general format. Enter. It has changed to date format. Always remember, the date and time format works according to the date and time settings in your system. So you can always change your system settings in your control panel whenever you wish to. So to do this, I open the control panel, click on clock language region, further click on region. So a region dialog box appears here. You can see the basic format in use is English United States. So the format here is month, day and year. If I wish to change it to English United Kingdom, I can just click on English United Kingdom and here the format changes to day, month and year. So once you have changed the format, you can click on OK, close it. Now you would find the difference here that the format has changed to day, month and year. What is the most interesting part of Excel in date and time formatting? It is that it generally does not store a date as a date format. To Excel, everything is a number. So generally, Excel stores dates in sequential serial numbers. You can see the format of this cell is in date format. So let me copy this down over here and change the format from date to general. You can see it has returned me a number. So now you might wonder why the date is in some random number. But the interesting part here is it is actually not some random number that Excel comes up with in the moment. Let me explain you the basic default storage system of Excel for dates. So in Excel, if you key in the number 1 here and change the format from general to date, it would return 1st of January 1900. Excel starts its date from 1st January 1900. Similarly, if I enter the number 2 and change it to date format, it would return me 2nd of Jan 1900. This means the number 2 represents 2nd Jan 1900, which is 2 days away from the 1st of Jan 1900. Similarly, the number returned here, 44,075, represents the date 1st September 2020, which is 44,075 days away from the 1st January 1900. So this is how dates work in Excel. Excel does this to make the calculations easy. Now that we have a fair idea about the formatting, let's take a look at the more formatting options in Excel. But before we further look into it, let us understand what DD, triple Ds, 4Ds represent. So let's say I have a date here. I want to extract this data from the given date. So I would use a text formula as equal to text. Now you would wonder why am I using this formula? The text function lets you change the way a number appears by applying formatting to it with format codes. So it asks me for 2 arguments, the value and the format text. So I select the value, comma, I select the format text. So let me freeze this first. Close the parenthesis, enter. So you can see it has returned me only 1, the single digit of the date. If I copy down the formula, it would return me 01, that is double digit of the date. Now you would wonder what this triple Ds and 4D would represent. So let's see, if I copy down the formula further, it represents the first 3 characters of the day. And further, 4 Ds represent the whole day of the week. Now let us take a look at the month formatting. I apply the same formula over here as text, select the value, freeze the value, comma, select the format, close the parentheses, enter. So again, month gives the single digit of a month. If I copy down the formula, represents double digit of the month. If I further copy down the formula, M represents first 3 characters of the month and 4 M's represent the whole name of the month. Similarly, let's see what Y's represent. So I use the same formula again as equal to text, select the value, freeze it, comma, select the format, close the parentheses, enter. So 2Y's represent 2 digits of the year and 4Y represents the whole year. Now let us take a look at some more formatting options. So select the cell, go to the number format section, click on more number formats. A format cells dialog box would appear. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+1 to land in the same dialog box. As we are dealing with dates, we select the date option. There is a list of formats available. You can pick any of them. And here the asterisk symbol represents the date format which you are presently using. So let's say I select this particular format, click OK. So you can see the format has changed to day, month and double digit year. If you wish to format based on your preference, you can choose to custom format. Now how do you do that? Go to the Format Cells dialog box by hitting Ctrl+1. A custom option is available here. You can click on that. There is a list of options available you can choose from. Let's say you want to type your own format. So you can type it here. Say I want to see the name of the day also. So I type DDDD space day /month/year and click OK. So you can see it has returned me the day of the week and the date in day, month and year format. So this is all about the basic date formats. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.